Today afternoon, I will cook a new meal. The new meal, the name is the shredded lotus root with leek, or the Chinese chives. First, I prepared some of the wash over the Chinese chives, and the lotus root, red pepper, and ginger. Next time, I will cut it. First, I hold like this the Chinese chives. Use the knife handle. Is the stem, like this the button, the stem area. Make it it's similar easy cooked. Use the knife to cut into sections. Just like this, the long is enough. And put this plastic basket. It's prepared here. Next step, I will cut this lotus root, and double the head is cut out. If you buy this lotus root, you need to buy two lotus root as two head is have. If you not have, the soil is into the hole. Next time I use this is pure, and take the peeling the skin out. This is not fresh. No, I just make a video. Some shape is not easy the peeling. Use the pure machine to take the next time I use the knife is like a half cut, just like this. It's a cut slice of it. Be careful your finger. And shred it like this cut. Okay, just cut over. And take this red pepper, and its color is shredded it. Today noon I use the knife stone. It's sharper. This knife is really handy. Okay. is I will cut this slice of the ginger. Too big, half cut. Prepare it here. Okay, everything is cut over. I will bring everything, wash it, clean it, and bring it to the kitchen. It's Friday. First, I will put this my cell phone holding machine. Open this faucet. It's the water is brush the meal. Now I'm into the kitchen. I'm feeling my kitchen is so dirty. I'm lazy, so if I had free time tonight, it's well to clean it. Open the gas. It's a kitchen fan. Use the brush. This is the pot. Open this 7-star gas stove. Put some hot water. We'll pick this lunch. I will firstly use the hot water to blanch the lotus root and the red pepper. And some of the oil and half a spoon salt. Make it this meal is colorful. Keep the color. Use the bigger spoon around the area to cut this shredded lotus root. I feel it's so soft. It's put down this stainless steel screen. Open this faucet and let cold water brush it. Don't let the meal it's soft. It's soft. Okay. Next time is use the brush this pot. Use the kitchen towel, it's mop dry the pot bottom area. It's make the fire Just start at a big fire, add some of the oil, let the oil the temperature to the high. Firstly, you put down this cut a slice of the ginger. Next step is to put this lotus root and red pepper. Okay, next step is add some seasoning. Half a spoon salt, half a spoon Ajinomoto, and some sugar. Add some of the light soy sauce. It's salty. This kind of a soy sauce is salty. Don't add too much. The last step is to put on this cut over the Chinese chive. Put down some of the lard because this meal is looks Chinese chives is soft. This meal is cooked. It's really easy. Okay, this meal is cooked down.